So I decided if I'm gonna work on it, I might as well put this up here and see if anybody enjoys it. The Wannabe Mechanic will be here every week, shorts every single day. We're gonna get this thing running by the end of the month. I'm making that a promise. All right, so today we're shop vacuuming the rat poop out, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. The weather has been crazy recently. It's been raining, it's been snowing, it's been hailing. The wind has been 50, 60, 70 miles per hour. So I'm gonna do as much as I can today. And then if the weather hits us, I'm gonna go inside, have some coffee. I don't know what else I'll do. Edit this video probably. Yeah, so I just wanted to take a second there and explain what this channel's all about. And now I'll show some footage of me vacuuming up some rat poop. Alright guys, peace. There's a really nice break in the weather, so I just put the floor carpeting out and I'll just take a hose to it, get it all wet, put some dish soap on it, agitate it a little bit, and then hose it off and let it dry out in the sun. And I'll do the same thing for all the other interior carpeting and floor carpet. Just hose it down, soap it up, hose it down again. Right, so we got the rat poop out of the car. I'm super stoked. I'm also in here because it's raining on and off and I don't want to get caught out there. But you'll notice there's a bunch of leaves back here because the heater box, every time I put the vacuum in there, it just pulls more and more and more leaves. It actually pulled a whole rat's nest out with it, but I know there's going to be at least one more in there because the fan blowers, they look like this, you know, like one of those wheels that you'd have a mouse running on. You know, I don't keep mice, but you know, I've seen movies, you know, it's like a little hollow cage, round hollow cage that they could run on. So that's for sure gonna have a rat's nest in it, but it takes a lot to get it out and I'm not exactly sure how, and my panel is mounted there right now, so I'm gonna go read a manual, go check some stuff out, make sure I don't break anything. I'm sure I could just stick my head under there and figure it out, but I'd be on a bunch of rat shit and leaves, or I'd have my legs out there and I'd be getting rained on. So I'm just gonna go read the manual instead of just trying to figure it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me vacuum up some poop, and I hope you guys know what the channel's all about now. Just figuring it out and doing stuff and talking to you guys and having fun. So I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully we can finish wiring up all the accessories. I'd really like to get the taillights wired, but there's a little bit more that I have to do. I have to get some more wire for the actual wiring because the wires that I pulled out were all chewed up by mice. So we're running into issues as we make the videos and we're trying to figure it out as we go. So if you enjoy, subscribe, hit like, share it to people that you think might also enjoy, and check out one of these videos or my shorts. and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.